Hi guys. Well, now that we have our beautiful table set, I want to encourage you with something. You know what? You don't have to spend a lot of money. You don't have to order some fancy takeout. You know what? If that's not your thing for a special night with your sweetie, get your favorite TV dinner out of the freezer. Put it on your best place that you have, your best stuff that you have. You've already changed up that setting a little bit. Okay? I'm not trying to make it harder than it already is, right? One time, I was out on my own for the first time. I had no table, I had no chairs, but I wanted to have a friend over for dinner. So I took this big cardboard box that had been used to move some of my stuff. I turned it over. I'm pretty sure I took like a couple of really nice napkins that I had and unfolded them for placemats. And I mixed up a cake in a container that somebody had given me from a fruit basket because I didn't have a bowl. You know what? But we had the best time. It was so fun. So, like I said, you don't have to take a lot of time and you don't have to take a lot of expense. A minimal amount of time, a minimal amount of expense, if any, and what you have on hand can change up the ordinary humdrum and make it something really unique and really special, and you will remember it for years to come. I just want to encourage you with that because life should be fun, right? It shouldn't be hard all the time, at least not when it doesn't have to be. So thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in on Words of Encouragement, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.